Hello everyone, welcome to another really interesting video. Now in this video, I will show you, can ChatGPT teach you a foreign language? Now the answer is yes and no. Now ChatGPT will act as a tutor and you can basically go and turn that on with a single prompt that I'm just going to show you right now. So basically you can go here and send a message. What you can do is you can say, can you teach me Spanish? For example, right? We can put here English, Spanish, Greek, whatever language you want to learn. Just hit enter, and then ChatGPT will actually give you the prompt in Spanish. Obviously, it will it will write in English, but it will teach you in Spanish. As you can see, yes, I can certainly help you with learning Spanish. Here are some tips to get started. So as you can see, this is what you can do at a start. It will give you all the tips that you need to get started. But then let's say you want to translate a word in Spanish. So what you can do here is you can say, how do I say apple in Spanish? And ChatGPT will actually give you, as you can see, the translation for the apple. And this way you can learn and you can teach yourself another language, which is a foreign language. Now, obviously, ChatGPT won't be able to go and to teach you Spanish just like your Spanish tutor. So I would advise, if you want, just hire someone to teach you a language. Now, can ChatGPT teach you a foreign language? Yes, it definitely can, but it will not be the same as someone that you hire and someone that is your tutor. So that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you in the next video.